That cloud of vapor will soon come with a higher price tag. Alabama lawmakers passing a statewide tax of 10 cents per milliliter of consumable vape products.
It goes for bottles like e-juice, like this, 100 ml bottle. The tax will end up being $10 on top of the original price of $18.99.
On top of that, cities across Alabama have the power to add a local tax of up to 10 cents on vaping products as well. And cities in Baldwin County such as Foley, Orange Beach, Gulf Shores, and Fairhope have already said yes.
One reason that we considered that was because these so-called sin taxes, as they've been referred to in the past, cigarette tax revenues have been declining.
Since 2023, the city's of Fairhope cigarette tax revenue has gone down by about 40%, a decline worth hundreds of thousands of dollars for the city's budget.
That could buy 4 or 5 police vehicles. So we want to make sure that we're not losing too much revenue, but we also look at our retailers as well, and we don't want to harm their business.
The city of Fairhope has approved a 4 cent per milliliter tax on vaping products sold within the city limits and a 2 cent tax in its police jurisdiction just outside city limits. Gulf Shores and Orange Beach went higher with 10 cents inside city limits and 5 cents in the police jurisdiction. Foley approved a 10 cent per milliliter tax paid by suppliers before it even reaches the shop. These are all in addition to general sales taxes and the new state tax. Matthew Cancelino with Vaping the Coast just opened a second store location in Foley, but this tax has him worried for the future of his business.
Possibly we'll end up closing. We'll definitely have to downsize from 2 locations back down to 1, especially with Foley's tax. It's too high. I mean, 20 cents a milliliter. If you drive 5 miles in either direction outside their city, you either hit, Alberta or you can hit Summerdale, which don't have the taxes.
He tells us there used to be more than a dozen smoke shops in Foley. Now they're down to 6.
It's going to be really hard for anybody to stay in business in these cities. People will go where it's cheaper, especially in the economy right now. People don't have extra money to blow.
Fairhope City Council members say the new tax on these products will go into effect on October 1st. In Fairhope, Taylor Boyson, WKRG News 5.